Absolute value inequalities.
Before you start solving your equation, you need to remember that absolute value is the distance a number is away from zero.
To solve, you need to split the equation into two parts.
To split it into two different parts, you need to have a positive and negative number on both sides of the inequality signs.
If there's a number with the variable in between the inequality signs, then you need to subtract that number from both sides.
If there is more than one variable, you divide everything by that number. If you divide by a negative, you flip the sign.
Once you get the variable by itself, you need to set up two different equations on graphing form.
Once you get the equation into graphing form, you draw the horizontal number line, then graph the inequality from above.
If your inequality has a line underneath it, it means it is less greater than or equal to the number.
If there is a line underneath the inequality sign, you fill in the point on the number line, but if there is no line underneath the sign, you leave it open.
If x is greater than the number, the line will be going to the right. If x is less than the number, the arrow will go to the left.
If the arrows are pointing towards each other, you can connect the line.
Here's a practice problem. First, you split it into your two equations, your positive and negative numbers.
Then you subtract 5 from both sides. Then you put it into graphing form and graph it on the number line.
Okay. Once you get it into graphing form on your number line, then you graph your points and you graph it.
In this equation, you add 8 to both sides.
Then, once you add 8 to both sides, you then put it into graphing form.
Then you can graph it on the number line. Here's another example. Try it by yourself this time.
Now, once you split it into two, you put it into graphing form.
Then you graph it on the number line.
Once you graph it, you are done solving the problem.
Here's a challenge problem.
First,
On this problem, you have to multiply each side by 3.
once you multiply everything by 3, you subtract 3 from both sides.
Once you subtract 3, you divide both sides by -2. When you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality sign.
After you are done dividing, you graph your point on the horizontal number line.
Thanks for watching how to solve absolute value inequalities.
Created using Powtoon.